Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Lumen5 application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. Now, if you search in the Google Play Store, you will not be able to find the Lumen5 application because there is no Android version for the Lumen5. However, you will find more alternative applications. But in order to use Lumen5 as an app, you can install the application web browser shortcut. Open up your web browser on your smartphone and then type in lumen5.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, once you are inside the Lumen5 website, you can proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so, but you can also directly install the application shortcut without logging in. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and then you will find the Add to Home Screen option. Go ahead and tap on it and you can name your application shortcut whatever you want. After renaming your application, just click on the Add button and now you can either tap on the Add option to add it to your home screen or long press and drag the Lumen5 application into wherever you want in your Android home screen. And now you can simply tap on this shortcut to use Lumen5 as an application on your smartphone right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Lumen5 application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.